Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to order from Alibaba. First of all, launch open Alibaba application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Alibaba application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to order from Alibaba, it is actually very simple. In the home interface only, you'll be able to find various products over here. You'll also be able to find the option from manufacturers and worldwide. You can simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the product that you would like to order. You can also search for the product if you want. Tap on the search bar. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to search for the product. Tap on the product that you would like to purchase. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find the details regarding that product over here. What you have to do is simply tap on this option start order that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to start the order. You'll also be able to see the minimum order quantity over here. You can simply place the order accordingly. After you do that, tap on this option start order that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to start your order. You can see over here you'll be led to the checkout interface. First of all, you'll also have to add an address. Tap on the field of add an address. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to add the address. Select the country or region. Tap on the field of country or region. Now you'll be able to select the country or region over here. Likewise, also enter your full name. Also enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. After you do that, what you can do is simply enter your address. Tap on the field of address. Now after you do that, you'll be able to search for the address over here. Tap on the address of your choice. Now you can see over here the address will be added, city and state will be added automatically. You'll also have to enter the zip code. Now over here you'll also have to select the payment method. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. You'll be able to find the options like card, PayPal, Klarna, Google Pay, etc. Simply tap on the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to add a card. If you also want to add the card, you'll have to enter the card details over here. First of all, enter the card number. Also enter the given name and surname over here. Likewise, enter the expiry date. After you do that, also enter the CVV or CSC over here. Now after that, tap on this option confirm that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the card will be added. Now after you select the payment method, you'll also be able to see the order summary over here. You'll be able to see the item subtotal, shipping fee, import charges, etc. You'll also be able to see various other informations like delivery, secure payments, etc. Now after you do that, tap on this option pay now that you can see on the screen. Complete the transaction. After the transaction has been completed, your order will be successfully placed and you'll be able to receive your order within estimated shipping time. So that is how you order from Alibaba. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.